Hi beauties, it feels so good to be back. Today I am actually going to be doing a first impression of some eyelashes from Ardell. They just came out with some glueless press-on lashes. They sent me this care package and I'm just so inspired to share with you guys for the first time how they work. Do I recommend them? So they have many different styles and we're gonna try out something a little bit more dramatic today. I have no mascara or anything on my eyes. I just did a full face of glam today so I can show you the before and after. Let's go through some of the styles that we have, right? So we have the wispies. So we have a bigger packet and a smaller packet. So that's the famous wispy style, which I'm so excited. We have new inner clusters. So you can put some inner clusters in the inside. One step, beginner friendly, all day wear. And then we also have wispies volume. So the first wispies is more of a natural look, more lashes in one cluster. And then we have faux mink lashes, and they again come in a bigger packet like this, natural, volume, and then you have the volume smaller packet. And the last style that we have is natural. For everyday wear, you just want a little bit of something going on in your eyes. We have the natural ones and then the soft volume, naked, and the smaller pack. So you have three options for the same style of lash. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and use the wispies volume. Open them up. Let's take out the kit. So at the top we have 12 millimeters and then 14 millimeters, and that is all that is inside one little box. Now, if you don't have all the tools, you're probably gonna need to buy the bigger set because you have more applications of the lashes, and then you also have the little tool to press on the actual lashes. Okay, so we're gonna start off with 14 millimeters being placed on the outside. Okay, so now what you do, you wanna have a mirror and then just look down. You are going to place the lash right at the bottom of your real eyelashes. And then once you place it, you press. Okay, then we have the first one. Oh my gosh, you know what I love about these is that you can't even tell that you have lashes on. Like if you look down, there's literally nothing. Obviously because it's in the bottom, but you can't even tell. Honestly, I find it way easier to use your fingers. I have more control of where I want to put it on because you definitely want it to line up at the bottom. Another little tip, if you're going to be using your fingers to take them off or the little tool, grab it by the hair, don't grab it by the little band. That's what I was doing at first, and the band is actually sticky, and you also don't want to put the oils from your fingertips on the band because you want the glue to last as long as possible, right? So if you start to touch the actual band, you're gonna get oils and the glue is going to start to dissolve. It's gonna get greasy and it's not gonna work as well. So if you wanna get the most out of your lashes, definitely use your fingers to just grab the bottom portion. And again, it's very easy to just pull off, which is something I love. Okay, I'm gonna use my little tool for the inner corner because my fingers are getting in the way. See? Fingers are always the best. This tool is not working for me. Wow. Okay, I'm just pressing with my fingers and here they are. Okay, so I'm gonna do the other eye and then I'll be back to give you my final thoughts. You need to get familiar with the feeling of putting an eyelash at the bottom and positioning them in a way that is actually gonna look straight, right? So the key to having these lashes look their best is to make sure that the band underneath is as straight as possible, because it could be really easy to put one like this and then another one kind of curved and everything. So you just wanna make sure that the band underneath is as like seamless as possible, and that's gonna give you the most beautiful, seamless, flared out look, and that way things don't look all wonky, you know what I mean? And again, you can use your fingers. It's really easy to use the fingers, so you don't have to buy the bigger pack if you don't need the actual little tool. You can use tweezers, of course, but I highly recommend these, guys. I think these are my new favorite kind of lash because it doesn't look like you're wearing eyelashes. They really do look like eyelash extensions because you don't see the band on the top. You don't have to wear eyeliner. Like, it just looks flawless, and I just really love these. So definitely give these a try if you're looking for lashes. You know, go for the mink if you want something a little bit more dramatic, or go for the natural if you just want short, right? The natural ones are really short, so that's just gonna fill out your lashes. I do have to say, however, you gotta have lashes to put these on, because if you don't have real lashes, there's nothing to grab onto. So just take care of your lashes, put some castor oil, eat a lot of carrots. All of those things are really gonna help with just nourishing your eyes and your eye health, so you have beautiful looking lashes. So let me know if you guys enjoyed this little beauty video. I hope you guys did, and I hope you guys found the review helpful, and I will see you in our next video.